Matt, today was not a good day to wear black, and I found that out the very, very hard way.
That's an understatement right there.
I walked outside today and just about 3 seconds is all I made it.
Yeah, and then just regret.
And I was like, oh, I feel like I'm suffocating.
Well, it makes you feel better. We all felt like that. It was just an unfortunately muggy day out there. Let's take a look at what we've got for tonight. We are tracking the potential for an isolated storm during the night. Hot weather in the days ahead, maybe not quite as humid as it has been today, but we just still do have humid weather for the next several days. A look over Junction City right now, lots of sunshine to the west from our Junction City weather cam. We've got a mostly sunny sky looking across West Topeka as well. Temperatures have been certainly on the high side. 96 currently with a heat index of 109 at Billard Airport. 96 has been the high so far with southerly winds at around 9 miles per hour. It's 98 for Manhattan and Junction City, 97 at Marysville, lower 90s at Emporia and Burlington. But when we look at how humid it is, the higher the dew point, the more humid it is. Plain and simple. And it is just really high. Anytime we get up over 75, we get these dark greens showing up. Those upper 70s are oppressively humid, and because of that, the heat index is still 113 at Forbes Field, 112 at Manhattan Regional Airport, and 105 at Marysville, Emporia, and Burlington. Heat index by tomorrow morning will fall back in the mid to upper 70s, and as we look at future track, it climbs back up into the upper 90s and low 100s in the early afternoon tomorrow, and then up into the, I think many areas will get close to 105 range again tomorrow. Now, the big question is, will we get some storms tonight that at least lower the humidity in the early part of the day? That's a possibility. Either way, the heat's still not really going anywhere. And again, those mid 100s for Thursday afternoon for a heat index once again. Skies have been partly cloudy today, these little thin clouds. This little complex of thunderstorms is trying to take shape over northwest Kansas and south central areas of Nebraska. It's not completely forming into a group of thunderstorms that's going to race our way, but we are at least tracking that development of thunderstorms as future track shows later tonight, 10:30 on through the night. Maybe a few of those will move into the northwestern counties, and then how much of an impact as they kind of fizzle out as far as cooler air that gets pushed out from it would it be? It would be temporary, but how much of that will linger into the early part of the day tomorrow? Once we clear out, we'll be left with enough of that heat building back in that any clouds we have in the morning scattered around, keeping us in the 70s, making it back to the, that should not say, that's a little wishful thinking, that should say 94 for an afternoon temperature tomorrow, and then 91 in the evenings. I think I was putting those numbers in. I started maybe hoping. Unfortunately, it will be 94 tomorrow with a heat index around 105, 96 on Thursday, and then low 90s as we head into the weekend. Could see a few scattered storms. Next best chance tomorrow morning, maybe up, or tomorrow afternoon up north. And then as we head into Thursday, more of an isolated storm late in the day. But temperatures are going to be quite hot as we head through the middle of the week. But the temperatures are just not the big story. It's that heat index over 100. There's a look at the Lake Sherwood area yesterday evening from Susie Smith. And some of the fireworks out at the Lake Shawnee area from David Bessedpour. Also from M. Williams and Overbrook. Most dogs get scared of the fireworks, but that one taking it in there. And a hazy, muggy day from Alan Days.
Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.